Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to update my iPadOS and macOS to the latest version. In iPadOS 17.5, I'm going to update it on 17.6 and my macOS Sonoma 14.5 to the 14.6. And after that, I'm going to update my macOS Sonoma in the latest macOS Sequoia. I'm going to see some features which is my favorite like phone mirroring and the window tiling. So let's see one by one and stay tuned for that. First, I came to my iPad. Then click on setting and here after that you can see the iPad OS 17.6 is here. Now you just need to click on update now and just enter your password that you have set 6 digit. And yeah, that's going on. Let's just leave it for some time to be update. Now come to the Mac OS and just click on update now. Agree the term and condition and just enter your password that you have set on your Mac. And yeah, that's also downloading. And here you can see the iPad OS is also downloading. And side by side Mac OS is also downloading. Around 1.09 GB is downloaded. And here both is downloading. So just leave for some time to download and get back when it hit completed the whole setup. Here we can see the download of iPadOS and here you can see the download of macOS. It still takes some time. Now it's time to see and wait and watch. So I just waiting for my update and doing some other stuff. You can also do some other stuff. So while doing the update of macOS or iPadOS or iPhone OS. So it's done now. iPadOS is done and here you can see the macOS is still downloading. So yeah, it takes some time. Now it's completed. My iPadOS is downloaded and updated. Here you can see the 17.6 version is updated. Now just enter your password and unlock your iPad. Here you can see all apps are working fine. So for that I'm going to setting and here you can see that the iPad 17.6 is updated. So iPadOS is up to date and now open YouTube. Is that work perfectly or not? Now you can see here I'm watching a YouTube video of quantum computer. It's worked perfectly, no problem with that. Now here you can see my macOS is also updated. Here you can see the 14.6 version is there and also we can see here on system setting and just click on general and just click on update software. Here you can see there the 14.6 macOS is updated completely with successfully. Now it's time to update on macOS Sequoia. For that I just came here the beta apple and enter apple beta and login here, and after logging you will be redirected to here. So enter here password or just put your finger and you just need to accept the agreement. Before that you just go through all these documents which is present and accept the agreement, and after accepting you will be redirected to this page, the instruction for beta software. Here you can see what we have to take the steps. So first steps, and here is feedback and diagnostic usage and backup your Mac. So just I came here the first step. First you just need to click on register your Mac or the Mac to be enrolled for the beta version. Before updating to new macOS Sequoia, you can backup your macOS to time machine. For that you just need to go to setting, but here I just click on open software updates and just allow. Here you will be redirected to this page and here you can select macOS Sequoia public beta and just click on done, and after some time you will get to see the macOS Sequoia 15 beta 2 is here. It's around 6.65 GB. Now click on update and wait some time for update. Here you can see after some time it is updated. Now it's time to see my favorite feature of this macOS like iPhone mirroring. So here you can control your iPhone using your MacBook. For this feature to be work on your macOS Sequoia, your iPhone must be in lock. Now coming to my next favorite feature, that is window layout. This feature came to window in the window 11. But here it came in Sequoia. You can arrange multiple windows like this way or according to your need as per your requirement. Now it's time to end this video. Bye bye.